Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Goldcoastdebuty, and today I just wanted to do this video called the 10 Commandments Bus Manners. I'm in the bus life, a lot of us are in the bus life, we take the bus, and there's some things that some people do on the bus that just makes me think twice about life basically. So I want to put on these ground rules that we can all take to make our bus life just a bit more comfortable for everybody, okay? And just want to send my condolences to all my Ghanaians that now that we're out the World Cup, it's okay. God has better plans for us, and I know He will establish them. As far as your eyes can see, there. Bus rule number 1. This is mainly for the guys. Please, 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 when you get on the bus with your backpack, take it off. Take both hands off. Hold the middle. This is not a backpack, but hold the middle and then walk down the aisles with it. Some of you guys are doing this sort of one shoulder thing and then walking down the aisles and you're bumping into people, and I'm sitting there cringing because I'm like, why? And you're sitting there saying, oh, sorry. Just take the bag off and stop walking like some next level gangster with the one hand like swag. No, you're hitting people and it's unnecessary. Then you're saying sorry for what? Just take your bag off. So please take your bag off, hold the handle and then go and find your seat. And it's not like you have like some sort of fluffy, you know, cute thing on your bag. A lot of you have all these metals and ninja swords all around your bag. You're basically stabbing people.
You could be done for murder, you know. You could be done for murder.
So please, take it off, hold the handle, and then walk down the aisle and find your seat. Stop hitting people as if it's some sort of competition. How many old people can you hit with your bag? It's not cool. It's not fair, okay? Commandment number 2. Thou shalt not sit beside me when there is plenty of seats. Think about it this way. You have paid for 1 seat and then there's 2 seats. You're sort of cheating the whole bus thing. You are cheating them. You should feel happy. You can even put 1 bum cheek on one seat, 1 bum cheek on the other seat. Like, just chill, enjoy. There's no reason why you have to sit beside me when there's 2 seats here, 2 seats here, 2 seats here. And I know I'm fine and everything, but I also need my breathing space, okay? I need my breathing space. So please, just find another seat. Like I said, think about it as if you're cheating the bus people. You pay for 1 seat, buy 1 get 1 free. Buy 1 get 1 free. Sit down, chill out, open your leg, hand out. Just have a good time. Commandment number 3. Commandment number 3 and 4 are to do with the phone calls. Hey, people on the bus. Firstly, the how loud you talk. Especially you Africans, you are notorious for doing this.
Hello? Oh, Kwesi. Oh, what's it doing? Ah, sigara man bro. Oh, Jaisa, Pasoko German, but
No need to have that kind of loud conversation on the bus.
Lolo.
Stop, yo. It's not even that deep. And commandment number 4 is another telephone one. Me personally, if someone calls me on the phone and I'm on the bus, I keep it simple. Bus, 10 minutes away, okay, bye. I don't like having conversations on the bus. Everyone hearing what you're saying, I can't do it. But some people...
Melissa, you can't believe it. Ryan came over to my house yesterday, I know that's my sister's boyfriend, but yeah. I checked at the door and walked in and I just didn't know what to say. Like, he's sleeping on the couch just now. I know. Just one thing led to another and I could...
On the bus, yo. Go home. You know, have a cup of tea. Another scenario.
Blood. I stabbed her, innit?
I'm sitting there saying, who did you stab?
Blood, I stabbed her, innit? She broke my heart, innit? I stabbed her in the heart, innit? Like, she thinks she's better than me, like. Yeah, her new man too, I shot them too. I stabbed her and I shot him. Under the bridge. In Sucky Hall Street, yeah? Yeah. Police were chasing me, but I would run fast, blood. I would run fast as I could, yeah. They wouldn't catch me. I wore gloves and everything. Yeah, and I threw the knife under the...
You threw the knife away. Oh, Mama, you threw the knife away. Nah, you guys. Like, it's the bus. Keep it short and simple. Unless it's something so major. No one wants to hear your whole life story. Huh. Oh my days, this lady on the bus. She's so funny. She came on the bus. She's having a conversation with someone throughout the whole journey as well. I just used my brush. This is actually a really good brush. blush brush, you guys. It's by Braid. Anyway, so she's like,
oh, have you tasted the new Max and Spencer's? The shepherd's pie. Oh, pure lovely, pure lovely. Oh, it's to die for. Have you tasted the chocolate chip 3-layer cake? Oh my goodness, pure lovely, to die for.
I swear, she kept saying a food item from Max and Spencer's and then said pure lovely to die for, pure lovely to die for. Okay. Commandment number 5. Please let me know when you want to get off the bus. Don't wait till the bus stops, the doors open, and then you look at me as if I'm telepathic and I should know that you're getting off. You need to give me time, because sometimes I have 2 bags in my lap, I have a few bags I'm holding, so I need to like gather myself together and then go. People just get up, and I personally go, excuse me, like the bus stop before, especially if the bus is like the stop is quite close to each other. I go, excuse me, and I stand up while the bus stop before, and then I can just walk to the front as it's going to my bus stop. Don't be so rude and just like last minute the door opens, oh excuse me, you don't know, they don't even say excuse me. Last thing before the bus opens, they just get up, or they just look at you like,
I'm trying to get off me, like, obviously, can you move? I'm trying to get off me, like, obviously, can you move?
That's just rude. Let me know, excuse me, or move, or even if you, normally there's a bell there, so we click the bell and then I know that, okay, you're getting off on the next stop, and I'll, you know, make provisions to get up, okay? Commandment number 6, this is the one. Oof! Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not steal. You know the bit at the front of the bus where they leave for your shopping and stuff? I don't even leave my shopping there after this incident.